Hey guys, so what's up? And I'm back here to share with you how to download the latest APK of Run Mobile. Okay, so first guys, you need to go to runmobile.com website. So here you go. Once you're done searching for runmobile.com, ito yung makikita nyo. You will find these banners and below are the latest updates. So you can see here the updates. So you do the reading, and now I'm going to tell you where or how to download. So here you will find the download beside patch notes, run mobile events, patch notes, download ranking. So here we go. We will go to download, click download. Now you will see here another banner leading you to download the APK. So there are mirror link 1 and 2. So you choose here. By the way, before you download the runmobile.com, make sure to have these specs in your phones, because if you didn't meet the requirements here, then there will be a possibility that after installing your Run Mobile APK or game, you will experience so much lag or any other error or bugs in game. So here you will see operating system Android 11 and up. So the processor is Helio G25 and up. Memory is 4 GB RAM and up. And storage should be 1 gigabytes and up. So for me, the better phone, you should use 8 GB RAM and up, or 12 gig, because you will experience a high graphics with that kind of memory, and the processor higher than that. So now let's go to the mirror link. So mirror link will lead you to steps on downloading the APK. You will see another link. The first link, you will go to link where you can download the app, and the second link is the same. So I always go to mirror link number 2. Here it will lead you to Google Chrome. So here you will see download, and here you go. Google Drive has detected issues with your download. So below this, download anyway. Just download anyway. Okay, then if this pop-up shows file might be harmful, download anyway. Okay, then after clicking the download anyway, you will see here at least 940 MB. So as you can see, the more that Run Mobile update every week, or sometimes after ilang days lang, the more na tumataas yung MB nila. So expect that sooner or later it will be more than 900 MB, like 1 gig and up. So expect that. That's why I want you to use a phone that is more than 4 gigabytes, because your game might experience crashing. Okay, while waiting guys, let's read the update for volume 1.6.8. so here you go. You can see here new set, no? So maybe in the future magkakaroon na ng another set. So this is, I think, 175 set, level 175. So now let's go. Gold burn mechanics, trade tax, vending tax, NPC selling tax, and anti-marites returns. So you will now be able to buy refines using gold. You can now buy a bus card per piece using gold, crazy time box per piece using gold, and elemental crystals using gold. I'm not sure what is this elemental crystals, but I think this is the crafting materials, etc. Now crafting cost adjustments: fine red white, blacks red white, and armor weapons to 25 to 300k gold. So I think nagtaas siya since there's a gold burn, meaning developers wanted to help us to reduce yung mga exploited na bugs about gold before. Now UI and UX improvements: added destiny box lock button, added confirmation message when dropping items. Now before dropping items, you will now be able to have a option if you are really sure when you drop the items, no? Add whisper option in the friend window. Okay, friend window. Now remove sockets button option on items. Now fix inventory, costume, equipment tab bug. Okay, I think this is another tab for costumes. Fix kill slot changing bug, and character window resistance stats, party window rename settings to apply. and improve target indicator. So I think this is for the skills or maybe a specific skills. And enhance character selection screen, improve and fix chat box chat window, and game APK version now displayed on screen. And items, there will be Scorpion weapon. This is a new Scorpion costume. Weapon release. Sa random box, you will find the token exchanger in the marketplace. Spear 10 fragment remove in prison. Now you can hunt this spear and warp passage because you can find the spear only in warp passage. And all event costumes now expire in 30 days. So the box will have 30 days remaining if you are not going to use it. So to be able to have more space, they put a expiration, no? And can be dismantled for legacy item fragments used in crafting. Now remove elemental crystal from drop. So you will now be able to get this from Antimarites only, no? Since I have mentioned before. And beginners hat buff to better assist new players. Boss card 5 pieces are now added to newly created characters. So I think this is a free boss card 5 pieces for new characters. Increase stack count for items. And School War experimental. No, I'm going to create another content for this. New School War system runs every 6 hours on channel 1, Alab and TMC server. So the guide here is to proceed to lobby map entrance located at school campuses. And level requirement is level 100. No rewards yet because experimental phase pa lang siya. Meaning, you will expect bugs, issues, so walang iiyak, no? Pag naka-experience kayo ng bug. So better report it so we can have better gameplay in the future. Your feedback is important, no? Yun, please report lang, no? Para mas mabilis yung pag-develop ng Run Mobile. Since we want a better Run Mobile, then we should report always the bug that we are experiencing. Now, general changes is daily quests from Antimarites. So as you can see, you will have a reward here, attendance paper, used for website attendance. So here, you need to do daily quests to use for website attendance, no? And remove Valentine's 2025 related items, NPCs, and quests. And fix Kamikaze skill spear exchange requirement. Fix Megaphone bug, previously consumed 2 pieces Megaphone per shout. Added more mobs in middle hole, and fix PK channel bug. So, more mobs in middle hole meaning mas makakapag-level na kayo ng maayos. And whole map drops, increase armor weapon selling price. So, you will be able to have more, let's say, mas mataas sa price pag binenta, no? And channel 3 in TMC is now enabled. So, channel 1 to 3 is PK zone na siya. Meron na siyang PK. And now, Guild War is now enabled on channel 1 in Alab. Now, last experimental, I think, dami. So, tapusin na natin, no, para at least aware kayo. Experimental performance update aims to improve GPU rendering on phones. Some shaders, colors, and skill effects may look different or disappear. Please report any issues to help improve performance for everyone. So, this experimental performance update, this is the +7, +9, +5 effects or the element effects, no? Once you experience bug about this, please don't complain na since they are experimenting for better performance gaming, no? And sa graphics natin. So, report nyo lang sa developers kung ano yung mga pumangit or dapat i-improve. Okay, sa skill, Shaman increase, Berserk Aura or BA damage effect, Shaman Pa 127 mil, fix Demon Spear dance animation, Shaman fix Infernal punishment damage and enhance weaken effect, and last Swordsman effect, experimental fix for metal body buff issues. So they are trying to do their best to fix those buff issues and other skill issues, no? Now since ito na yon lahat, I hope you understand everything that I have said in this update, and now let's go download the mobile app now. Okay, so once you're done downloading the APK, let's go here and you will see this unknown staging app, and you will see here click install. So make sure you have that you have extra memory so you can install this application. Okay, if you do not have extra memory, you will experience like before, app not installed. So make sure to double check your memory to have at least 1 gigabytes. Now just wait until this installation done. So this will be automatically become like this. Okay, there will be security tests, and if this application pass, just click here, open. Okay, so yeah, you will now be able to open this application. Oh, angas. There's a new update, guys, no? So this is a new banner, meaning alam nyo na. Okay, let's just log in, then wait. So hindi na kayo mahirapan mag patch dito, no? Kasi nga alam nyo naman na yung process. So just in case na nilalabas kayo, meaning baka may problema kayo sa phone or something sa connection, just make sure that always check your signal, your memory, kaya nahihirapan kayong mag-load ng APK nyo. Okay? Okay. Let's wait what can be the possible outcome of the latest update. Mukhang mas umangas yung yung effects niya, guys. Akyat muna tayo, baka mapatay tayo. Guys, ang angas, no? Ayan, no? So, ang ganda ng ilaw. Plus 7 pa lang yan. Okay, so ayan, no? Medyo nagkaroon ng na maliliit na icon or dumami yung space para sa susunod na icon sa menu na to. Angas, guys. Ayun, treasure blade, mukha na siyang plus 9. Pero ang angas, guys. Anyway, just report the bugs, guys, no? Just in case you experience bug. So yun lang, guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Next content na lang iba para hindi masyadong mahaba itong video na to. Bye bye, enjoy.